Hello everybody, today we're going to learn how to issue sales quotation from ABSS MYOB. First of all, click sales and go to enter sales. And remember here there's a scroll down button. Remember, click it and click quotation. Select your customer. And this one, if you previously have created quotation, they'll pop up this message. So we click cancel for this time. And ship is quantity, 10 pieces of what? Tap button, and 10 pieces maybe for Apple. So of course during the transaction, if your description you want to add on more, maybe is Apple and for import, you can key further more description from here directly. Tap again, how much? $2 is the prefix. If this time the shipment cost is increased, everything is increased, it's become $3, you can straight away change the price. And for the job, all these things that we will have covered on another video, you can click another video for how to create new job. So if this quotation is for example for our project jewel, I can just select the hashtag. For other fields, right, you can check your own forms. How to check your forms? Please click Setup, Customize Forms under Invoice, and our layout is Item Layout. Please select Sales Layout Item. Select your own company file and click Use Form and click Customize. Look at the field, what you use for. For example, if you engage us to customize, design the quotation format for you, you will see that it's a different field. So please check which field you are using for. After that, fill out accordingly. And everything is okay. No need to click Save Code. Click Print, Preview, and click OK. And select your own company with the quotation. And straight away, you can print out and send to your customer. Thank you.